Dong and Jaja, happy marriage. Makamit nyo sana lahat ng mga pangarap nyo sa buhay.
Jaja and Joms, muna gana congrats kaya kayo balo ko maluwat yun ang paninayan ining aldongay ni. Sana maging masaya kayo. Balo ko yung pamagkasakit yung para makasahop kayo mo karing pamilyayo. Karing pamilyayo para at sana ato pa yung pangarap yun. Ngeni simula na yung bayong yugtuning gawan yung pamilya. Malawot ke man lagi kami mong makasuporta kaya kayo kintetesyon nyo. Salesin nyo na mo salesin nyo yung bayong yugtuning biyeyo. Dakala salamat kin pamanyaop kaya kanako kin pamamayad sa ken at karin bibigyan mo karin paunakan mo. We love you.
Congratulations, Joms. This is the new chapter of your life. May the Lord continue to bless you as a newlywed couple. My wedding wishes to both of you is to put God center of your relationship and just always love each other and contented, loyal, and honest and understanding. May the Lord God bless you always in your family. Through ups and downs, always fight for it. Just to show how deep is your love for each other. And again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Navarro.
Congratulations, Tita Ganda and Tito Joms on your wedding day. Wishing you a lifetime love and happiness. Thank you po sa lahat. Take care always po.
Bonjour! Congratulations, Jaju! Wishing you a wonderful journey as you build your life together. Always remember, put God first as center of your relationship and love each other unconditionally. Felicitations, Kidio Benis! We love you!
Bonjour, everyone!
You two are an inspiration. All your hard work has brought you to this wonderful moment. May your life together in Paris be filled with joy and the adventures you deserve.
May your love grow stronger with time, and may your happiness be everlasting. May love and joy guide you in every step of your married life.
May God shower you the blessing today and always. Felicitations, Benis! We love you and we wish you.
Hatos ko.
Congratulations, Joms, on your wedding day. God bless you. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Congratulations, Janine and Jumong. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Wishing you to have a happy family. Congrats, Janine, Jumong, both of you. Nawa, pagpalain kayo ni Lord.
Congratulations!
Sayang wala kami ngayon sa kasal ninyo, pero malay mo next year makapagbakasyon kami dyan at makapagbanding tayo. Wish namin sa inyo, wish ko sa inyo na sana maging maayos yung pagkasama ninyo mag-asawa kung sakali man na magkaroon ng problema, pag-usapan, and then lagi yung ilalagay ang Panginoon sa sentro ng inyong buhay. And sana magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak para maging masaya at buo ang inyong pamilya. And kung may problema, andito lang kami para sa inyo.
Hi Tita, congratulations again, and I would like to congratulate the both of you for your marriage, and I hope your marriage is filled with love, blessings, and of course kids. Gusto ko rin naman ng another cousin na alagaan ko, and thank you for being there for me, and thank you for watching me grow up. And yun lang, Tita, sayang wala ako, sayang sana may honor, but you know, it is what it is. See you next year though. Yun lang. Love you.
English yun ah. So, congratulations Ja and Jums. Sayang wala kami dyan, pero malay mo sa susunod. So, pasaya sana ako yung magiging representative ni Tatang, pero talagang gano'n. So, advice ko lang sa inyo, sa marriage, babae ang dapat mag-handle sa pamilya. Kasi, kapag bumigay ang babae, sira na yung pamilya. So, Ja, ano yun, lawakan mo yung pangunawa mo at kung may problema, tag-usapan nyo. Ibaba parati yung sarili at huwag pairali ng pride. Okay? Muli, congratulations sa inyo.
Congrats, Jum.
Congratulations, Tita, Tito.
Hi, Tita Jeline. Hi, Tito Jumong. Finally, mag-aasawa na po kayo. Congratulations po. At sana'y pagpalain po ng Panginoon ang inyong pagsasama. We love you po. Ingat po palagi. Mwah!
Bonjour! Saba? Yes, I understand few words of French because I had a part-time job for 9 years with this French family here in Israel. That's why I understand few words of French. Tudong Ja, congratulations, best wishes, praying, hoping will last longest, not longer or forever until your last breath will do apart. To my brothers, sisters, nieces, nephews, sister-in-law, cousins, friends, sponsors, ninong and ninang, to this wedding, thank you very much for joining and celebrating this wedding celebration. Ja, hoping soon or sooner that I will have a grandchild to you. God bless you. God bless your marriage always and always. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Janine and Jumong. Congratulations and best wishes. Na sana ngayon ay mag-asawa na kayo, kasal na kayo. Nung nanuman itang tampuhan nyo, aliyo na palwatan, Yako binisingga, kumambis kung magsalita kaya kami papakya ko. Kasi, ikapin masikang kanlog na gabrod. Ika, at ikang datang akong misang, maldita ka, suplada ka, pag-emimwa ka. Sabi mo mo sabihan. Ngayon, yung mag-asawa na kang Juno, may kasal na kayo, nung naman tang problema yo, pisabihan yung masalis, para itang problema, agad malutas. Yan ngayon, papakya ko kaya ka, huling malawot ka, halakang kapatad, ating kageng, kabakay mula, kababaryo mula, ang porang kapapampangga mo, rin di namin kaya, kaya sabi mo karela, dakalada ka salamat, di namin tang demayan da ka, na inayos din kaya yung kasal, busy largo karela, sabi mo karela, dakala salamat, Itami sabihan ko teka po, ko sakit kulog, tumuling ko niya ako, ali ko buwis ng makanita ako. Kasi masakit kulog. Balo mo na ako, manakot kong depress sa puso. Kaya may masikang kulog ng salita niya, Dakala salamat yung bagay mo, kaya kaming asasawag mo. Ikapir ang kapatad mo, pagyaga na kamula, bibinan mo langan. Pakikay ko na rin ni Denden, kaya kaming Joseph, ala naman. Kaya ko namin magbati, kaya kang may Kaya ako nang magbati, kaya kada ko salamat, pakibati ko na rin kapatid mo, rin pangunakan mo. Ang korendara mo, hello, bisang magsalita, kaya ako nang nagmasikan lupke ka, na magsalita, uling ka, single ternos na ako mo, wala na kayong tatang. Kaya dakalada ka salamat, hindi biya mo kaya kami dakalada ka biyaya, yun na itanamo.
Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason